Okay, so our problem is a motorcyclist has an engine that produces 150 horsepower. How fast will a 350 kilogram bike plus a 50 kilogram person be going after 10 seconds? Okay, so here's our little diagram. So the first thing we're going to do is start out with the equation for power. So power equals work over time. Now, as we know, we're solving for velocity, so we have to manipulate this equation so we can solve for velocity. So what we can do is say work equals power times time, which equals, as we know, work equals change in kinetic energy, or change in energy, and in this case, it's just kinetic energy, so we have that equals 1/2 mv squared. So there's the velocity that we're solving for. Okay, so now let's just start by plugging in the value. So for power, we have to put the horsepower in terms of watts. So we are going to multiply 150 by 765, because that's how many 1 horsepower equals 765 watts. Okay, and that equals 114,750 watts. Okay, so then we have this quantity of watts times 10, which is the seconds, equals 1/2. Okay, so the mass is 350 for the bike plus 50 for the person. So that's times 400 times v squared. So now what we want to do is just solve for v. So if we do that, we get that the velocity equals 80 meters per second. And that's your answer. With a horsepower of 150 and a weight of 400, the bike will be going 80 meters per second after 10 seconds.